I don't think much of your chances of being allowed to keep doing it in here.
What do you mean being allowed to keep doing it in here? It's just been closed as a golf club, and it's now been deemed a public park.
I know.
Yeah. So we're allowed to fly in all of Brisbane, Moreton Bay area, all Logan City, Ipswich. We're not allowed to fly within 30 metres of people. That's the only rule. So, yeah.
Oh, Ryan. Oh, Ryan.
Okay, so
shit. Lockdown at 4 PM. Time to fly. It's like lunchtime. We'll just say 11 AM. Heaps of hours. It's more like 1:30. Look at this spot. Newly acquired FPV playground. It's all ours. Thanks to the council. They've donated it to us to fly. There's our FPV playground, haven't they? So now we've got 14 hectares. So we've got 14 hectares of pure greenery to fly and rip, and trees and you name it, hills and all sorts. Sort of footpaths. There's a driving range or something over there that's part of the golf club. But yeah, awesome little spot. So first flight, let's have a rip. Woo!